Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to convert PDF to Excel without software. Open a new tab in the browser, type here PDF to Excel converter. Open the second link, click on upload, select the PDF file you wanna convert. It's uploading. It will take some time to convert. Download converted file by clicking here. Open download folder to see the Excel file. Here is mine. This is how we can convert PDF to Excel without software. If this video helped you, please subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.